Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I want to tell you, I've had trouble getting going today. I woke up about 9 o'clock, left food out for the kiddies, and had my coffee and had my breakfast and decided to sweep the kitchen floor. I've got it 90% swept, but after spending anywhere, I don't know, 20 minutes to 45 minutes sweeping it up, getting all the crap off the floor, my back said, "That's it, you're done." And then I had this, let's see, this video I took on the bed last night, and it took forever to figure out how to transfer it from the phone to the Mac. I managed to do it with great difficulty. Be glad when this becomes my phone. And in a perfect world, of course, I'd have an iPad, so I wouldn't have to do this. But I got it transferred to the Mac and to the desktop, and then you will get to see it. And then I managed with also difficulty, trying to figure out Android when you're used to iPhone is not easy. And I got a wallpaper on the phone. Original Enterprise, not no damn revisionist Enterprise. So, and a bunch of games in here, and a whole lot of applications. So I'm getting there. Kathy and I are going out on the 28th, but she will be coming over Thursday or Friday, I can't remember. And I did one thing this morning. I called up my optometrist, and excuse me, I require coffee. And made an appointment to get my prescription for reading glasses because it is getting increasingly hard for me to see small print and the screen. And one other thing, after years of faithful service, I found this thing years ago downstairs, and it finally, it was an IKEA lamp. I just saw it. I never noticed that before. Somebody left a like Japanese lamp on top of this, and which kind of fell apart. This was the stand, so I decided to hollow out this guy. And I'm not sure if this. I think this. No, this wasn't the original one, but this was the Alien Pops head. The other one I got might be the original one. I don't know. And whoop, there goes the thing. But to add to my troubles here this morning, the switch on the light went out, so now he's got to get cleaned off. I had cut a hole in the bottom to fit it on this, and the switch stopped working. So I may have to go get another switch or devise a new lamp. So one alien head down the tube for now. Okay, woke up, put cat food up. The kitty's very cold last night, and very weird. Next week it's going to be 70 at one point. All right, sorry for the great prologue, but everything's off the floor in the kitchen except for one item that I got to pick up. And I got to move the lighted Halloween skeleton thing and the colanders and giant bowl. And then after I re-sweep the floor, then I can take the cat dishes off the floor, take everything out of the kitchen, and mop the floor when I have the energy. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing. We have another item from the mystery woman. I won't mention her name because I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. So, everything is like I got to be the Hulk to open it up. I don't. Every one of these plastic things, you gotta. All right, this says cat ice cube tray made in China. Where else? You know, when I grew up as a kid, everything was made in Germany or Japan. It shows how things have changed. All right, looks like little girl, or boo, or boop, or Cleo and Caesar, Kathy's kitties. This is a cat ice cube tray. We really can't. There we go. Now you can see it. In the shape of a cat, it puts out little ice cubes. So I will wash this out and put it in the freezer and show you what they look like later. Thank you for this, mystery lady. I know your name, but I'm not going to say it because I don't want to get flagged for saying personal information. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe and stay warm and dry. It is very sunny outside. It is 2:28 in the afternoon, and I've had real trouble just waking up all day. I went to bed tired and my eyes are burning, and I woke up tired and my eyes are burning, and I'm going like my body is and sore, and my body is going, you're still sore. So it's not been the greatest day physically for me. Everything is okay, but I'm just like, ugh. All right, that's it for this one. I got to get up after I do the next two videos, upload them, and then get to go feed the kitties. And I had a comment left by, I think, Rain. I don't remember her name right now, thanking me for doing the videos every day. And I said, thank you. So far, you're the only person to thank me, and it is very appreciated. And it's a sad state of affairs. And the other thing is the death of Orson Bean last night. He walked out in the traffic for God knows what reason. I've been on Venice Boulevard, and it is a traffic nightmare, particularly at night. There's no way in hell I would jaywalk on that street. There's too many cars. Things go by too fast. I posted the video on my forum, and the video is about him and with him. And somebody posted a video of the accident scene, and he got dislikes. But I saw the actual area where he walked, and the Hulk wouldn't have crossed that street. So very sad. A brilliant, one of the most intelligent men on television. Great fun to watch, and he was 91, and it's very sad that he died. He got clipped by the first car, and then while they were trying to attend to him, help him, the second car didn't see him and ran over him and killed him, hit him and killed him. So I'm not happy about that. I liked watching him going back to maybe the 50s, and he was in the Twilight Zone and a lot of other stuff. So tell the truth, and in plays, movies. So 91, but I'll miss him. All right, that's it for this one. Bye-bye for now.